Have you ever taken off your glasses, blinked a few times, and thought, if only I could see clearly again, just like I used to? You're not alone. Millions of people over 50 silently struggle as their vision fades, not realizing that in many cases, it's neglect, habits, and missing nutrients. The truth is, your eyes can improve if you start taking care of them the right way, starting today. Let's start with something simple. Your eyes are living organs, just like your heart, your brain, and your skin. And just like any other part of your body, they respond to how you live, what you eat, and how much stress you carry. Over time, several factors damage vision. Oxidative stress, tiny unstable molecules called free radicals attack your eye cells. Poor blood circulation caused by inactivity or poor diet limits oxygen and nutrients to your eyes. Digital strain, hours of screen time weaken your eye muscles. Nutrient deficiency, especially vitamin A, lutein, zeaxanthine, and omega-3 south. And yes, aging. But aging is not the cause. It just makes your body more vulnerable if you don't protect it. So the message here is powerful. You can slow down, stop, and even reverse poor eyesight by nourishing, exercising, and protecting your eyes, starting at any age. Imagine not moving your legs for days. They'd weaken, right? Your eye muscles work the same way. Most people over 50 spend hours staring at screens or reading without giving their eyes rest. Over time, the muscles that focus your vision, especially for distance, become lazy. But here's the good news. Just like you can rebuild strength in your body, you can rebuild focus in your eyes. Try these simple exercises daily. 1. 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. 2. Palming. Rub your hands together until warm, then gently cup them over your closed eyes for a minute. It relaxes your optic nerves. 3. Figure 8 exercise. Imagine a giant 8 in front of you. Trace it with your eyes slowly for 30 seconds. 4. Blink often, especially if you use screens. Blinking refreshes your tear film and prevents dryness. Just 5 minutes a day can keep your eye muscles active and your vision sharper. If your eyesight is poor, your eyes are probably starving, not of energy, but of nutrients. Let's look at what your eyes love most. Vitamin A, essential for night vision, found in carrots, sweet potatoes, and leafy greens. Lutein and zeaxanthin, powerful antioxidants that protect your retina from light damage, found in spinach, kale, and egg yolks. Vitamin C and E, prevent oxidative stress. Citrus fruits, almonds, and seeds are great sources. Zinc helps your body absorb vitamin A, found in pumpkin seeds and lentils. Omega-3 fatty acids protect against dry eyes and macular degeneration, found in fish like salmon, sardines, and flax seeds. I think of it this way. You can't build a house without bricks. Your eyes can't repair themselves without nutrients. So if you want to see clearly, eat like someone who values their vision. Sometimes what you stop eating matters as much as what you start eating. Here are a few vision destroyers you should avoid, especially after 50. Refined sugar damages small blood vessels in your retina. Processed oils trigger inflammation and dry eyes. Too much salt raises blood pressure, reducing eye circulation. Smoking, one of the fastest ways to destroy your macula, the part responsible for clear central vision. Excessive alcohol depletes your vitamin A stores. When you reduce these, you allow your eyes to detox and heal. Remember, clarity comes not just from what you add, but what you let go of. Let's talk lifestyle, because even the best diet won't help if your daily habits damage your eyes. Here's what every person over 50 should be doing daily. 1. Get sunlight safely. 10 to 15 minutes a day helps regulate your circadian rhythm and boosts eye health, but avoid staring at direct sunlight. 2. Sleep deeply. During sleep, your eyes repair themselves. Aim for 7 to 8 hours. 3. Stay hydrated. Dry eyes and blurry vision often come from dehydration. 4. Exercise regularly. Movement increases blood flow to your eyes and brain. Even walking 30 minutes a day helps. 5. Reduce screen time. If your work involves screens, wear blue light filter glasses and follow the 20-20-20 rule. These are not quick fixes. They are habits that rebuild health from the inside out. You know, long before modern medicine. Ancient healers understood something science is rediscovering. The body heals when it's nourished, rested, and respected. Practices like yoga, deep breathing, and meditation don't just calm the mind, they improve blood circulation and oxygen delivery to the eyes. Modern studies now show that mindfulness reduces stress hormones that cause inflammation, a hidden factor in deteriorating eyesight. So when you take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and give your eyes a rest, you're not wasting time, you're healing. Let's be clear, reversing poor eyesight doesn't mean throwing away your glasses overnight. It means restoring what's possible, preventing further loss, improving sharpness, and sometimes reducing your lens prescription over time. Your body can't perform miracles overnight, but it can do amazing things with consistency. Many people who adopted these simple practices report clearer vision, fewer headaches, better sleep, and more energy. And you can be next if you give your body the care it's been waiting for. Close your eyes for just a moment. Imagine you couldn't see your loved one's face clearly. Imagine missing the colors of a sunset or the joy in your grandchild's smile. Now, open your eyes. That simple gift sight is something we often take for granted until it begins to fade. But here's the miracle. Your body wants to heal. You just need to give it a chance. Every meal you eat, every exercise you do, every hour of good sleep is a vote for your vision. Here's a simple daily routine you can follow starting today. Morning, drink a glass of water with lemon. Spend 10 minutes outdoors in natural light. Eat a breakfast with eggs, spinach, and whole grains. Afternoon, follow the 20-20-20 rule during screen time. Have a salad with carrots, avocado, and seeds for lunch. Evening, practice eye, relaxation, and deep breathing. Fish or lentils for dinner with steamed veggies. Limit screen exposure an hour before bed. Stay consistent, and your eyes will thank you. Let me leave you with this thought. You are not a victim of age. You are the author of your health story. Poor eyesight doesn't have to be permanent. It's a message, a signal that your eyes are asking for help. And when you listen, when you nurture them with food, rest, and care, they respond. So start today. Look in the mirror and say, I choose to see clearly again through health, through hope, and through commitment. Yes. Because when you care for your eyes, you don't just see better, you live better, feel better, and experience the beauty of life in every color. If this message inspired you, give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe for more natural, science-backed health tips. Your journey to better vision starts right now, one healthy habit at a time.